Cyn and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button. So today's video is going to be on how to make rice water. Yes, rice water. First, you're going to need a spray bottle, an empty spray bottle. I like to use these actual misters because a lot of water for a long period of time comes out of these misters. I'll leave the link down below. Next, you're going to need rice. I don't really measure out how much rice I'm going to be using. This is just going to be a small batch, so you won't need a lot of rice. And then you're going to place your water inside of the bowl and you're going to let it ferment. So you're going to be actually letting this rice water sit for a couple of days, and then you're going to place that directly on your scalp. Now, when you're doing this particular method, you want to rub the rice, because you rubbing the rice is you actually getting the nutrients out of the rice, and this is the cloudy water that we're going to be using to be placing on our scalp and our hair. So you want to make sure you rub that very vigorously, and you want to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients out of the particular rice that you're using. You can use brown rice because it has more nutrients than white, but I'm using white because that's pretty much all that I have in the house today. So I'm going to scrub and very vigorously all of the rice. As you can see, the water is very cloudy, and that's what we want. So I'm going to transfer the water into another spray bottle. These mister bottles are fairly cheap on Amazon. You're going to need a funnel, so I'm going to actually use the funnel and place it on top of the mister bottle because it's just easier to transfer the water. You just need the water, you don't really need the rice. You can discard the rice after you're done. I don't suggest cooking this rice after you've taken the nutrients out of it. I would discard that. So next I'm going to be using peppermint oil, and that's going to combat the actual smell. I like peppermint oil because it does leave a tingling feeling on my scalp, and it does stimulate and promote hair growth. Some people like to use orange peels or lavender oil. You can use that as well, but I'm going to be adding peppermint oil because I do like the smell of it as well, because after it's been fermented for a couple of days, it actually stank. Spray this on your scalp and also the roots, because that's where the hair growth is coming from your scalp. So you want to make sure you place all of that rice water on your scalp, and you're going to just gently massage your scalp to stimulate growth. I do this for 7 days, you guys, and I can honestly say that my hair has grown 2 inches, and I will continue to use this, but use it sparingly, guys. Use it sparingly because you do not want to get protein overload. Protein overload will cause a lot of damage to your hair, so please use this sparingly. To say that this actually works. Next, I'm going to be using some coconut oil just to get the ends of my hair because they are very fragile, and I'm going to be using peppermint oil and my Marie Naturals Miracle Drops that has castor oil in it, and I'm going to also use that on my scalp as well. This can actually be used as a pre-poo, so rice water and this particular combination. And this is exactly what I'm doing. So since I'm going to be washing my hair in the morning, I'm going to be actually using the rice water, the castor oil, and the peppermint oil as a pre-poo, and then I'm going to be washing it out. But I can honestly say rice water works amazingly. I do say try it maybe 3 days, or maybe try and use it as a pre-poo. But this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.